Okay, holding tank repair. Just cut this hole and I used a vibrating tool, this guy, and let's see if you can see it. There's a big crack in the back of the tank that goes almost the whole length of the tank, which is about, the tank's maybe 3 feet long, it probably goes 2 feet of it. But I have this strainer in here that I didn't know was in here. It's in the way of doing the weld repair, so somehow that's got to come out. And that's where I am right now. Okay, I don't know how well you can see this, but I have my holding tank here with a big hole cut in it. Over on this side of the head I have another hole cut in the holding tank. So up here is the sink. And if you look inside the holding tank, you're not going to be able to see it on the video. I don't think there's a crack. It runs about 2 feet long. I had to cut out a strainer, and I just cut everything out so I can weld repair it back in. I'm going to clean this up and try to weld repair the crack. Okay, holding tank repair. Here we go inside my holding tank. I don't know what you can see, but that I cleaned up, and what is left, you can see this crack. And it runs a couple of feet. And there's a strainer in here where the pump out was let into. I'm not exactly sure why. There was a lot of sludge in the strainer, not much sludge in the tank. So I might not even put it back in. Might have to consult with somebody, but we're going to drill out the corners of the crack, and then we're going to use, I think, an angle grinder with just a normal thick grinding wheel to put a chamfer around the crack, or along the crack, and then we're going to plastic weld. Alright, so we cut the strainer out. I couldn't drill a hole at one end of the crack because I couldn't get the drill in, so I just burned it in with a soldering iron. Trying to give you a look at the repair here. I don't know how well you can see it, but it's water tested it, most of it. I couldn't fill it up all the way because of the access holes. I chamfered the holes for the access covers, and we're ready to weld those in. Okay, I'm gonna try to show you a weld repair on a polyethylene holding tank. I've already gone through and done one layer with this, it's 3/8 inch tubing from Home Depot that I split in half. Then I've made these rods out of the 3/8 inch tubing, heating it up with a heat gun and rolling it out. So this is both layers squeezed together, or the complete tube. And that's what I'm going to use to do the second layer here on this holding tank. And let's see. So I'm using just a Benzomatic micro torch with no tip on it. I just unscrewed the solder tip. And I'm going to start up here. Oop.
Dad, I have to go to the bathroom.